This railway almost became a relic, all because of the weather. This is one of England's most exposed rail lines. For decades, brutal winds, snow, and freezing temperatures hammered the stonework. By the mid 1900s, it was losing money fast, and people started asking, is it even worth keeping this thing open? Then, in the 1980s, inspectors found the structure was failing, weathered to its bones. A massive restoration was needed. Thankfully, it went ahead, and without that work, the trains would have stopped here for good.